lot of money. You can be a millionaire, by the way, in the United Arab Emirates. Now let's call it in Dubai, in these 3 businesses. So we are going to be watching, or we're going to be listening to businesses that are easily done in United Arab Emirates but can easily make you fall down and you regret still in Dubai. How did this video come up? This video idea was based on the questions that have been asked to me by my family members, my friends and fans. Which exactly type of business, Christine, do you do in Dubai? What can we do in Dubai? There's a lot of money in Dubai. Yes, I really confirm there's a lot of money in Dubai. We are talking about Dubai because it's the one which is known the whole world, but it is supposed to be in United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates has seven states. You can call them states from wherever you're coming from, states, districts, whatever, but these ones, when they come together, they make UAE, United Arab Emirates. But the world outside knows Dubai as Dubai. Whether in your Sharjah, you are in you are in Lane, you are in Ajman, Fujairah and other Emirates, Abu Dhabi, because Dubai is the center of all tourists, is the center of many people that come. So when someone is going to Abu Dhabi, they call it Dubai and other. So most people have done business in United Arab Emirates. There is a lot of money in UAE. I tell you the truth. There is a lot of money. But how come we have not, most people have not touched and really pulled that money? And to be specific, to the African community. Why do you think it is like that? That one will be in the second segment of this video. But first, let's see what are the businesses that can make you be a millionaire in United Arab Emirates. The business are simple. We have tested them, we have touched them, I've seen people have done them, and they are flourishing right now. I know if you continue watching this video, by the time we end this video, you will know, you will decide, can I invest in Dubai, can I invest in this business or the other. I'm going to give you 3 businesses that are most commonly taken up by investors, by Africans, by Asians. The first business, but before we go to the first business, I would love to thank you for being loyal to us. Thank you for being so good. Thank you for support. Thank you for always coming to our channel, to give us like, to give us to subscribe. And for the royal subscribers and royal viewers, we love you so much. We have known you're part of us. You're our online family. We cannot refute. Wherever we go, whatever we are, we move with you. So thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing by the end of this video. If you feel you love to put any suggestion or any comment, please go down and hit the subscription button, and don't forget to put your mind, what do you think, can you invest in United Arab Emirates after watching the whole of this video. The first business that most people are accessible, you can do it. They are both formal and informal. One is rentals, or we can call them real estates. Real estates are very good for outsiders. I can call them expatriates, and most Africans have invested in this, and Asians. Yes, Arabs are there, but most of them are Africans and Asians. How do you do this? You can do it formal and informal, both ways, and you can earn millions of money the moment you get to know the real trick in running these ones. What are these formal? What are the formal and informal rentals or apartments or accommodation? When we go to the formal ones, these are real estate agents, whereby you find someone is licensed or is ready to give out estates, accommodations, offices and others. You will find them all there. But today I'm going to concentrate more on apartments, rentals and accommodation, and especially to the people who are coming, who are informal, because they are doing it on small and large scale. Who are these people? These people are called, should we call them real estate agents? No, we are going to call them accommodation owners. That's what I can call it, because in United Arab Emirates we have very many employees, we have very many people that are really are there to look for accommodation. So we'll have different categories of accommodation right away from the least to the highest, that is from the bed space up to the apartments, up to the offices and others. And you find the majority of us who are watching this video are much interested in this list one, whereby you can have different accommodations, different apartments, and you rent them out. Yes, this business is very good, and I've seen my friends, I've seen myself, I did in it, I've seen how to reap from it very well. But what is the danger in this? The danger in this, if you don't have a backup. Most people have come up, they save small money, they save their hard-earned money and start apartments, and in a short run it crumbles. Why does it crumble? Because they don't have a backup. If you don't have a backup with the real estate or with accommodation dealings in business, you are bound to fail. So please take note of this, that this business, if you want to go in it, you should have a backup account, such that anything to happen, you are there standing for them. Now we say all businesses, or when you're looking for money, they are bound to happen. Yes, they are bound to happen, but you take a look. If you go and see, I'll be showing you some clips whereby most people came in to do these apartments, do this business without backup. They get their 10 million in Ugandan shillings, they get their 10,000, 20, 30 and put in. That's the only money they had, and they end up like that. Because what are the dangers there? Some of the people here sometimes don't lose jobs. If someone lose job and go out of the apartment, go out of your accommodation, go out of your studio, it means you are there to be the one to pay for that month. Remember, you are there to pay with a check, and you will get these details in one of the video that straight is only for apartments. So let's go to a second business. The second business is travel agencies. When I talk about travel agencies, I think I need to get a seat and sit there. Most Asians, most Africans have invested in this, but have they succeeded? It's one of the best business, by the way, in United Arab Emirates, and to be specific, in Dubai. Why? Because every nationality is coming to Dubai, is coming to UAE for vacation, for job. People are flopping in and out. So people need tickets, people need visas, both permanent and at the same time they need visa and others. But do the companies in United Arab Emirates really flourish? For the last 3 years, we have seen more companies cross out, and they cross out bad. Why? They don't have backup as far as finance is concerned. Still, people gather small amount of money and invest in these companies. When they invest in startup capital, in assets and what fixed asset in the office, they forget that the business has some time to take off. And what about their daily to day care expenses? They end up getting money from the people, what is supposed to be done. For example, if the money is for making a visa, people have ended up, especially these travel agents owners, they end up taking that money and use it on their bills and use it on their day-to-day running of activities which are outside the office, and end up making the offices crumble. Look on the money that people are going to be bringing you for business, because the profit is so minimal for you to run the cost, to run the office, with even paying workers and everything that is needed there. The third and the last that I'm going to give you today is about restaurant and foods. Restaurants and eateries and foods in United Arab Emirates, whichever country you're coming from, is very good. You can make a lot of money. But why is it that especially Africans and Asians cannot manage, cannot sustain where they start? They end up losing their money. Do you know the reason? The same thing is, when you start a business, you have to have a backup. So most of people that are business owners that are starting this, you find they have gathered all their money and put there without the backup that can keep running the business until the businesses come to their takeover or takeoff stage. At the end of the day, they end up being in debts and they end up crossing it. Can you believe there are some people who sell the businesses at not even a quarter or a third of the money they invested in. So guys, if you come to you're counting on yourself to have a business in Dubai, it's very beautiful, it's very good, it's one of the country that has money within. You can reap money in United Arab Emirates, but you need to be prepared. You need to have money in your backup account for you to avoid using people's money, for you to avoid closure, for you to avoid stealing. Thank you very much. Please, if you know you have gotten a gist in this video, please go down and hit the subscription button. Don't forget to check our last video, which talks about getting a grant. For you, if you want to start a business or you have a business that is still running right now, it's better you get grants such that you can make your business flourish. See you in another video. Peace out.